And the President Tinubu must not attend the inauguration.
Absolutely. I agree with you.
I hope somebody is listening.
Yes. So please,
if you attend Paul Biya's inauguration, we'll come and we'll condemn you here. Because enough of all of this.
Don't threaten the president.
No, if he does, we'll condemn him.
Don't express your opinion. Don't threaten him. The unfortunate part of it also is that the same Paul Biya is the oldest head of state in the world. He has been president in Cameroon since 1982. He is not even in the country. He's somewhere in Geneva, Intercontinental Hotel, ensconced there. He came to campaign only once.
Only once,
So
yes.
it is the ordinary people who always suffer when their leaders disappoint them. Yesterday I asked a question. What next for Cameroon?
Yes.
Most of the people in Cameroon, they don't know any other leader. Yes. It's only Biya that they have known their entire lives. Now, whether he likes it or not, when his reign of terror ends, what will happen to Cameroon? What next?
Yeah.
Fine.
We're beginning what's trending in Cameroon, where thousands have taken to the streets in protest against the presidential election results that extended President Paul Biya's rule for another 7 years. The Central African Nations Constitutional Council on Monday declared 92-year-old Biya as the winner of the disputed vote with over 53%